gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Johnny.
And Lorie.
In today's video, we're gonna show you two pieces of land that we visited. I feel that one of these pieces of land will be our future home. The second property, and how much is that, babe?
That is 1,500,000 something. 1.5.
1.584 million pesos.
And in US dollar, that is 28,000.
I'm gonna have to sell my hair. I'm gonna have to sell my hair to pay for this. So the first property that we visited was 1 hectare. Well, it was 10,422 square meters. And the price of that is
650,000 Philippine peso, and that is
11,600 and something US dollars. All right, so we are here, and this is 1 hectare, or is it a little over 1 hectare, right, babe?
yeah, 10,422 square meter to be exact.
And this is it right here, babe. Can you
Okay.
show us around?
From here, all the way go down in there and up to here, all the way here. This one, this is a cornfield, right, Maspan?
Yeah.
Corn thing. That one, oh, from there all the way there. It's a big land. Huge land.
So is this side over here, and then when you pass the road on this side, there's a piece over there as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is over there on that side?
400 something square meter, 422. And this is the 1 hectare here. 10,000 square meter. This. And this is, the original price is 650 Philippine pesos, 650,000 Philippine pesos. And in US dollar, that is 11,700 USD. Right, Mesban?
Yep.
So this is 400 square meter right here from the corner up to there. Anong size ka? Ano nga? Ano yan?
35. 35 by, ay, 10 by 35.
Hanggang saan po digyan ano niya?
Hanggang sa inyo, 400.
Okay, from there up to... Hold on. All the way at the back.
All the way to the back.
Yeah.
All right.
400 square meter. Clean title, tama po ma'am, no? Isa direction title.
This one is good because it has a road already built. Nice smooth road. This is about 7-8 minutes drive to the main road. And so far, out of all the roads, this is my favorite because it's finished. But
20 by 20. 20 front page. Oh, sa kali. Pwede mo hanggang digdi. Pwede hanggang digdi. Ayun. Hanggang digdi po.
Oh, may aspan, see? From here up to there, the corner over there, and all the way at the top. back.
All the way to the back.
Yeah, that's 400 square meter.
And this is for sale on this side as well, ma'am? Is
Yes.
this for sale? Okay.
For sale too? They said if you want, you can buy all of it. This is gonna be like 1,000,000 pesos.
A million
The whole
pesos?
thing.
Mm.
Yeah, 1,000,000. The whole thing.
So they divide it, right? Two pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it has its own title, so
Yeah.
that's the good thing about it.
1,000 square meters for 1,000,000 pesos. You know, I'm gonna have to sell my hairs, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and you guys let me know which property you like better, because I already know the second one is my favorite.
Me too. I love it.
Yes, she was hugging me in tears when I told her, yeah, let's get the second one. And then, but like I said, we have to verify everything. We have to go through the lawyer. So, is there anything else you want to add, babe? You want to check your little notes over there?
Yeah, no more. That's it. Peaceful, total away from everybody. That's it.
Oh, wait. My husband has to buy his wig next week. What the? When did you write that?
No. Oh, also, guys, when we put what do you call this amount, like in the description or in the title, always remember that the dollar rate, what do you call this?
Always changes.
Yeah.
Always. So you cannot go based on an exact price. It always goes up or it always goes down. So always remember that, guys. So I want to thank everyone for joining us here in today's video, and I hope you guys were entertained. It was informative. Any questions you guys have, feel free, drop them down in the comment section. So until then, guys, take care, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.